This is Note-Taking Guide 2.3. All right, yesterday we learned about complex numbers, the letter I, and what it represented. And we decided that the letter I represented the square root of a -1. And if we got I squared, it represented -1. So today we're just going to do some addition using I's. So when we do addition, and I don't know why that little parenthesis is there, sorry about that. When we do addition, we just combine like terms. So we have some I's here and we have some numbers here. When we write our numbers for addition, we want to leave our answers in A plus BI form, meaning the real part comes first and then the imaginary part. So the real part here would be the -3, and then we're going to combine these together to get plus 8i. So our real part came first, our imaginary part came second. That's the correct answer. Okay, on this second example right here, we have, again, combining like terms. So we have 9 here and plus 5 here, which is 14. And then 2 here and a -2 here, which is going to be 0 i's. So my answer is just going to be 14. And then this next one, I have 3 plus 3, which is 6. And a positive I minus a negative I, again, is going to cancel. So my answer is just 6. Okay, this next one is a subtraction problem. So I need to change this to a plus sign and take my negative through to both parts of this. So I actually have 4 minus 3, which is 1. And then a -3 minus 4, which would be a -7i when you combine those together. Here on this, these are not like terms. I cannot combine them together, so I really, on this one, I'm just going to rewrite it to -4 plus 10i. Down here on number 7, we have this negative square root of 25. If you remember yesterday when we brought those out, that 25 would come out as 5. And the negative would be an I. So really we have 5 plus 4i here, and then that 6 out the front. So the 6 is going to stay there, and then we're going to combine these like terms, which is really 9i, so 6 plus 9i. Same thing happens over here. This -36 is going to come out as 6i, and then we'll have that added to an 8i. And 6i plus 8i adds together to be 14i. Here's another subtraction problem that we're looking at here. So we're going to change that subtraction to a plus sign. Take the negative through to both parts here. So it'll be a negative there and a negative there. We have 12 minus 6, which is 6. And a -2 minus 3, which would be a -5. If we look at this bottom one right here, again combining like terms, this 81 is going to come out as 9, and it's positive 9, no I on it or anything like that. So we're going to have 5 plus 9, which is 14, and then a -4i plus 6i, which is plus 2i. Those are our examples for today on that note-taking guide. Thank you for watching.